Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, it's been a fat minute since I've vlogged at my house, but I'm at a lecture right now, as you can see, and I just left my lecture on and I'm about to go walk out, but they don't know that. Goodbye, class. All right, guys, so a long time no see. I mean, like, all we've been doing is freaking traveling. If you guys saw, we did install these tints from Omni Tints. They are in Nebula Black. We put them on ourselves, so they look pretty good, honestly, and look how crazy reflective they are. So obviously, since it's been a fat minute since I've vlogged at home, I've had so many car parts come in the mail that I haven't put on my car yet, like a lot, like more than I get on like Christmas and birthday combined. I'll show you guys everything I got. I'm gonna try to install as much as I can in this video, but right now I'm on my way to get some fuel stabilizer for my go-kart because it is going into winterization mode. I haven't driven it at all this summer. All right, we made it to my favorite aisle. All right, guys, so I got my stabilizer. Before we move on to the garage, I'm gonna show you guys everything I have that is sitting in my room. I know it's disgusting, but wait. First things first, this giant thing. I finally got another front lip because the first one didn't fit mine, and I was like, I'm not about to purchase another one unless I sell this one because they wouldn't even take it back. So I finally sold that one, and then I just purchased another one. And then after that, we have this really cool shirt. It is a 350Z, and it's made by one of my high school friends. He has his own like JDM like car streetwear website, so I'll link it below if you guys want to check out his stuff because he has some like really cool designs. But this is it. Oh dang, it's a long sleeve. I didn't even know that. As you can see, look how sweet that is. And then he has a writing on the sides of his company name and on this side as well. So this is super sweet and it's very soft, so I can't wait to wear that. And then after that, we have, y'all ready for this? Chris Fix shirt. We have his drift staying on the back, and then it just says Chris Fix on the front, so that's pretty cool. Thank you for that, Chris. So I got some reflective pinstripes, and obviously this is actually divided into 3, as you can see up here, so I'm gonna be like kind of Tron wrapping my car with these pinstripes, so that's gonna be pretty cool. I got a freaking helmet, you guys. I got a motorcycle helmet because I wanted one, so I got one. And it comes with a cool like cover for it. Yeah, it like literally makes me feel like I'm a stormtrooper, and it is a dual visor. It goes like this and that, which is so cool. I got some aftermarket taillights, which I'm so excited for because the cherry like red taillights just don't do it for me. So I got these, so I'm so excited to put these on as well. All right, guys, so there's the go-kart hiding right over there. But before we get started on that, this Accord is down. It's not starting right now, and it needs a jump start. So we need to do that, and then we have to fix something is wrong with the throttle. And so I bought that like car scanner so I can figure out what exactly is wrong with it and then try to fix it. And then hopefully we'll give it to my little sister for her senior year of high school. And here is my Z, as you guys saw earlier in this video, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. All eyes on the go-kart. Oh my gosh. We got a hammock. What else do we got? Nothing else. Oh, it needs a cleaning. Yikes. All right, what's going on with this little mess right here? So I finally got the go-kart out of that little space, and I ended up moving all the tires up in that corner so I can put it here next time. Before we clean this whole thing up, I guess I'm just gonna refuel it just a little bit. Fueling up 101, so basically I'm gonna press on this and push it down. I don't know how to get it to stay, but that's just my tactic. That does not sound good. All right, I didn't notice this last time I checked, but that is not good, you guys. So go-kart's not sounding too good, literally. So I'm just giving it a quick wipe down. What? I don't understand, but I'm guessing it's just been sitting out for too long. But as soon as I rinse it off, like obviously I didn't rinse off the engine, but I rinsed off the tires and around it, it doesn't sound weird anymore. I guess I can do it. I can make this thing work today, and then I can winterize it. I'm coming for you. Me and the girls did name this thing Velocity because, you know, physics. Now, to locate the oil. Oh, actually it might be over there. Never mind. JK. Okay, I can't find the funnel for the oil, but I'm about to just find something real quick and compromise because I am way too excited. I peeped that gasoline, that's not very good. But I found the funnel. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put some oil in. Oil's working. There's no weird sounds going on now, I think. Yeah. And it's ready to start up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. All right, guys, a little update here. So it's probably like 10 at night, and I asked Chris Fix for some advice because it do be sounding very weird. So he told me to unplug the spark plug and to unscrew it. So that's what I'm doing right now. So removing the spark plug still didn't work. So Chris said, take WD-40 and spray it around like the cylinder wall. My battery's about to run out, so I have to do this quick, but I just remembered last year, every time I would start up the go-kart, the thing would just go. Like if I started it and it would start running, like the engine kicked in, it would literally just go. And every time I would try to like force it to stop, then it would shut down. You guys, my battery's about to die, but here's my single jack stand. All right. So, spark plug is going back in. I have to figure out what's wrong with the clutch now. These are one of the only like extended sockets I have, and luckily it does fit. Barely fits, but it does. We plug this back in right here, and we have to figure out what's wrong with the clutch. Want me to go through the whole troubleshooting explanation? I don't know if you guys saw that all, but basically I'm going to be taking this clutch out and trying to start the engine without any of the chain work to see if it's actually moving. Okay, take 1,000 on. What the? Okay guys, so everything's working except for the freaking I don't even know what you call this right now. I'm too tired to even think. What's up, YouTube? So it's currently day 2 and my wheels are back, my BBSs are back, and my kids, my tires, Mr. Coopers are back. They're all unmounted because they need tire pressure sensors. By the way, if you guys are local, if you're around Michigan, I got these done at Quality Powder Co. in Highland Lakes. You can search them up on Instagram, and I got them done for $300. He dismounts them and mounts them again for you. I told him to leave them unmounted when I get them back because of the tire pressure sensor issue. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be putting these on today after I fix that issue, and we'll be good. Now I'm on my way to Discount Tire to get everything mounted and actually get tire pressure sensors on my tires, and it costs $60 a piece. All right guys, so I just picked it up. Are you guys ready to see that? This is what they look like without the BBS caps on them right now, but oh my gosh, the calipers so much more than I actually thought they would. And I think they look pretty fire. So what I have to do next, okay, one, I'm so glad this is finally over with because I've been meaning to do this forever. I have to go drop off this 350Z. It's like really dirty and I don't like it. I have to go bring back the Cadillac so I can take my stock wheels and tires and bring them back. So yeah, let's get a quick startup going. I don't know why they did that. I'm so confused, but nice. You guys, when I tell you this car is dirty, it literally looks like it went through the Dust Bowl. Like, that's how dirty it is. You guys, I know I talk way too much, but everyone's literally watching me freak out at Discount Tire. But, you guys, woo! The low pressure sensor is finally gone. That thing was such a pet peeve of mine, so it's finally gone. But anyways, so me and this one company I've been working with for a while, like, I don't know, I just like their stuff and their stickers. I always like to get stuff from them. Reached out to me and said, hey, we really like your Z. We were wondering if we can create a scale, like a tiny model of it, and make a pin out of it. And like most cars, like usually sell their stickers, like a sticker version of their car, which I think is so cute, but I thought that this was so unique. So we worked on it together, and like we designed it from like the colors to like adding the front lip and adding the BBS wheels and making sure that it's gonna look exactly like how my car looks. And it's finally out. Look how cute! Oh my gosh, look how freaking cute. Like, I can't. Like, the amount of times I like just keep looking at it. Like, it's exactly like my car. And if anything, it's like the updated version of my car. They asked me, they're like, do you want me to put the front lip on there? I'm like, yeah, because mine's about to go on next week. So like, this literally looks like the updated version of my car. And my BBSs are on, and these have the BBSs on, and everything looks so good. I'm also not profiting off of this. They really just like my 350Z and like wanted to make it out into a pin. And I was like, yes, like what the heck? If you guys want to purchase some, I will will link them down below. I'm not profiting off of this like whatsoever. I just think they're so cute. You can put them on your shirt or like here or even in your car. But anyways, like my cousins bought a bunch of them and they are like limited stock. So cute. All right, friends, so we have made it home. Let me get a look at these real quick. Woo! Also, can we get a moment of silence for how dusty my car is? I will clean it today. And I was also going to mention to you guys, I just keep rambling on, but one of the main things I'm so hesitant about is like obviously like taking my car over to like Discount Tire and leaving it there and me not being the one driving it over, or even my glass repair. Like it's just like every time they do one thing, they do 10 other things wrong. You know what I mean? Like, let me show you an example. So as you guys may already know, my windshield did crack, so it had to get replaced, right? Did an awesome job replacing it. But what happened, now my windshield wipers don't work. I do have an aftermarket hood, so my windshield wipers are also aftermarket, not really, but like the wiper fluid comes out of my windshield wipers and wipes them. But not only does the wiper fluid not even work, these things aren't even like aligned properly. So every time they like try to wipe my windshield, they like go like that. So I don't know if I have to just like loosen them up or something, but I have to fix those two things. And like it's come to the point where like, yeah, I can call back where I got my windshield replaced and say like, you guys did this and this wrong. But by the time I bring it over there, they're like, I feel like they're just gonna half-ass it and then they're just gonna give it back to me and it's gonna be even worse. So I just don't even want to bring it up and I'm just gonna fix it myself and shut my mouth. So right now what I'm working on is covering up the seats so I can put my stock wheels and tires here. I am gonna put them up for sale just because I don't need them anymore, and I bet you somebody else is gonna put them to better use than I am. Oh, it's so beautiful out. I did mention I am selling these. Hopefully someone gets them. I'm gonna miss these wheels, you guys. I actually really like them, but I like my BBS's a lot better. All right, peeps, so we just fueled up the caddy and now we're back and ready to wash this dusty thing. Not cute. Where are them boys? All of them right over here. Oh, you gotta make sure they're facing right side up and then just pop them in. We got BBS everywhere. We got those BBS lug nuts, those BBS center caps. Everything looks nice. This is what they look like without the BBS caps, and this is what they look like with the center caps. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but there's a slight difference. You can just see the BBSs on them. All right, guys, you can't see me because of all these products, and there's one more right over here, but this is how I quickly wash my car. I'm not gonna fully detail it because it's gonna rain in like 2 days. But I first start off with the Supreme Suds from Synergy Works and just put a tad bit in there. I don't have a foam cannon, but this works great with a foam cannon. But you just put a little bit. I don't want to waste it all because it is going to rain. Get my way downtown, walking fast faces. I hope I don't get copyrighted for saying that. And we just make it all bubbly. I just dip it in there, get that all soaking, and then start washing my car. I know it's like half sunny, but I'm just doing this really quick and you're gonna rinse it out. Okay, there's shade. We're good. I'm like almost done drying. Now what's left is the wheels. I just got my towel rag and I'm gonna start cleaning. These are such a pain to detail, but it's so worth it because they're gonna look so pretty. I just put on my tire shine. Yeah, it's oil. I don't have any tire shine, but I needed it for the pictures. And this is what it looks like. Car's all clean. You can see the reflective tint. Here's what they look like. I think they sit really nice. All right, guys, so car's all clean. I'm about to head to a park real quick and take some cute fall pictures. And then I gotta drop my sister off at work. So I just finished taking pictures at this really pretty trail. Grant says, "What's up, vlog, you guys?" I ended it before he got to say so, but he's right there. Quick update. So I just dropped off Veronica. I had to get fuel because I was playing that empty tank game and I almost lost, but I made it. I also got myself some food, some Coney Island. If you guys know what that is, it's so good. I'm gonna eat and then go work on my windshield wipers, like I've said for the 10th time. Dang, you guys, it got way too dark after I ate. I didn't take that long to eat, but it did get dark quick. So I'm probably gonna do a part 2 on this vlog of me fixing a couple more things on the 350Z and then moving on to the go-kart. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed these past 3 days vlogs. Oh, I think my friend just showed up. What?